Welcome to another video. Today we'll be showing you how you can quickly create a smart home RGB LED light using an ESP32 and the Matter protocol. I don't know about you, but I've always wanted to create more home automation devices similar to the ones that you can buy, and with the ESP32 this is all now very simple and reliable. We're using the onboard LED on the ESP32 to demo this, but you could easily use external addressable LEDs or even an LED strip. Using the Matter protocol means communication is local and secure, as well as seamless future-proof integration into various ecosystems such as Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. You'll need to install Visual Micro and the latest ESP32 board package, with links in the description to these video guides and our documentation. You'll also need a Matter gateway, which can be set up on newer Amazon Alexa devices, and a wide range of TVs. We used our Samsung Crystal TV, which uses the SmartThings hub to connect to Matter devices. Our example project is based on the Matter examples for Colour Light and the Wi-Fi provisioning example. You can download the complete sketch from our OneDrive. There's a link in the description. Now we have the project open, we can select the ESP32 dev module, and then we can select the COM port for the upload. Also ensure you set the board option for the USB CDC on boot to disabled for this specific board, which has one USB port, so all of the serial output is displayed. Finally, set the partition scheme to Huge App, ensuring there is space available on the board for the code and all of the libraries. Now click Build and Upload to compile the code and upload it to your board. Espressif provide the Wi-Fi provisioning app for both BLE and Wi-Fi, so if we search for Wi-Fi Prov and install the app on our phone. If we open the app, we can tap the Provision a New Device button to begin. Allow camera access if you want to try and scan the QR code shown in the serial monitor, but this may not always work. If you're not using the QR code, you can click the I don't have a QR code button. And for BLE, we will need to allow location access. Now we can see the prov_RGBW device, which is our ESP32, and this name is set in the code. If you want to use different prefixes for your device, you can change it in the code uploaded to the board, and of course click Change at the top of the app on this screen. Once we've clicked on the device, we will need to enter our proof of possession PIN, which is also in the code that's been uploaded to the board, and in our example this is vMicro. Now we can select our Wi-Fi network and enter the password for it and click the Provision button to complete the provisioning. As that completes, you will see the app updating, and you can also see the serial monitor output at the same time in the video. Once the provisioning is completed, we can see in the serial output that the Matter node has not been commissioned, so we can move on to that. We're going to commission our Matter device using the Samsung SmartThings app, and once that's open, we can click the plus to add a new device. There is a list of authorized partners shown. However, as this is a generic Matter device, we can simply click the Matter entry at the top of the list. Again, you can use a QR code, and if you look in the serial monitor, you will see there is a URL which will generate the QR code for your specific device, which if you were using in a commercial setting, you could print out and stick on the box, just like with the commercial products that you buy. Alternatively, we can enter the manual pairing code, which is a string of digits shown in the serial monitor. So we can click the Add Without QR Code button at the bottom. Now that's done, the SmartThings app will take over and commission the Matter node for us and register it with the gateway. This can take a minute or so to complete, and if you do have an issue, it may be that you need to simply run through this process again. Now that's done, we can rename our device to something useful, and we can also set which room it's associated with in your house, for example. Now we get the full interface in our Samsung SmartThings app, where we can change the colours, the brightness, turn it on and off, as well as other features such as a timer and sleep ability and various routine options as well. So this will integrate with your Home Assistant and any other apps that you use seamlessly, along with various other commercial appliances. And just to show this in action, we have the Alexa app open, because this is also talking to the Matter gateway, and we can use our voice assistant to turn the LED on and off, as well as change the colour and the brightness. And just like every other device on your network, you can add it to your normal dashboards and apps to make it easy to access. So you can use your homemade devices alongside all of your normal ones. If you want to move the device to a different Wi-Fi network or re-register it as a different name or change what features it has, you will first need to decommission the device, which can be done by holding the boot button on the board down for 5 seconds and then releasing it. This will complete the decommissioning process for you and will also erase the Wi-Fi credentials which have been saved on the board currently. Now that's done, we're back to where we started, so we could run this again or change the code. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and do check out the links in the description as well as the other videos on our channel. We'll see you soon with more videos about home automation devices, as well as further videos about encapsulation for development and educational settings.